Okay, let's see. So Vilaliv, maybe Sicilian. Myself playing Sicilian. Okay, maybe try and keep solid instead of E5. That's interesting. It's Queen D4 of Nxe5. Is this? He's trying to surprise me in the opening or something? Isn't Queen D4 possible? I suppose there's bishop. What? I thought bishop B5. Right. Intriguing. So my queen's got an escape square A3, but from experience I managed to get my queen trapped more than most players probably. So, okay, let's stop the knight B5 stuff and the bishop B5 stuff. Is he going to trap the queen with something horrible? Haven't I got a resource knight E4 to get the queen out? Have I just walked into some theoretical trap? Oh, blimey. It looks as though I might be losing the queen to A3, which isn't great news. Oh, you gotta laugh. Oh dear, oh dear. Alright, if I take on C4 and play E6, which is better to take on C4 or C3? Maybe C4, it's a more aggressive knight. Try and play B5 and bishop B7. I think there might be some fighting chance, I hope. Anyway, knight C6, bishop B7. Whoa. Yes. Well, ideally I want to get knight to D4. The two pieces versus the queen is not really that convincing. I want to try and avoid loose pieces and double attacks like this knight. He's winning this with a double attack. That's fantastic. Okay, so rook G8, though, get some sort of G-file attack. It's not going to allow that. Can I safely take without getting zapped? He's going to double attack somewhere, isn't he? If I castle. I guess C6 is loose. So what's the next tactical trick up his sleeve? That could be his weakness, that he's tactically trying to solve every position. I hope that's his weakness. So maybe I can get compensation, okay, without getting mated. If I play H6, just to avoid knight f6 and queen h6, okay. Knight d4 now. Maybe I'm threatening something like 4 knight e2. Right, the knight's okay, but I got a loose rook to get rid of. don't like these loose pieces. I think rook d7, bishop b7. Also this soft spot here he's going to try and exploit maybe. I don't know, rook d7, bishop b7. The pieces don't look so bad. Also I thought maybe that's pretty nasty. It's bishop e7 to evict the queen, or protect the try bishop e7. Right, so he's going to go for queen e4. If I play bishop b7, just try and stop that queen e4. It's almost bishop g2 if the rook was protected. If I play rook e8 here, queen b6, so I could be getting in severe trouble. Okay. He's going to take on c5 and double attack these guys. Bishop f6. Offers c5 here. Rook a8. We've got something. Nice pieces again. Loose pieces still. Rook c8. Okay, let's just centralize this. Okay. Can I play bishop c6 here? I'll take that one off, or AB, maybe AB. Then back to d5. He's using a lot of time actually for being queen up. Maybe he doesn't like this that much. Well, if I play this, don't mean to take as a rook b8. Okay, so if he's getting short time, I wonder about the weakness of the last move concept. Look out for weaknesses of the last move here. If the bishop moved off there will be knight e2. Okay. Knight takes b3 here. Might be interesting. Bishop takes b3. I'll try knight takes b3. Will he sack the exchange? Otherwise taking here is oh, he is sacking the exchange. Alright, doesn't look as bad. If I hit this bishop, if I move my bishop, so I'm on that bishop, maybe bishop d4 is handy. Okay, that bishop's hanging unless there's a trap. Okay, I'm pretty solid at the moment. Bishop d4. Oh, I got to move. too tense. Too intense. Oh, what was this opening trap? Oh, what? I think my friend Paul Georgie might have mentioned this. The queen's actually trapped. It's installed on B2 and trapped or something. If queen A3, there's knight B5. And what? No, I think queen A3. Is this the right position for this trap? That might have been needless then, if this is the case. Let's knight C4 here. And again, queen A6. There's no, can't see it here. Queen A6. There's no knight D7 to take. Well, that looks a bit miserable. So I made things worse as usual with this queen trap. So A6, just getting the queen trapped. In fact, just knight C4. Oh dear. So don't try this at home. This A6, it's poxy. The biggest priority is to avoid the queen getting trapped. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.